Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, I heard a lot of people talking about the invisible mode that hides your avatar, username, and location from other drivers. You will still get alerts and directions, but no one will see you on the map, including your friends. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually turn on invisible mode in Waze. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, tap the three dot menu or profile menu. Some people even call it the hamburger menu. So go ahead and tap on it, then tap on your profile or view profile. So as you see here, there is the go invisible button, and that's what we want. Activate invisible mode. At the top of your profile, as you see, look for go invisible, target it, then toggle it on. You can also access it through these settings and all of this. So now confirm the change. Once activated, your name, avatar, and location will be hidden from all other users, even friends. It applies immediately as you see. They're gonna tell you that you are invisible. You aren't visible on the map and can't send reports as well. So that's the good thing and the bad thing about it. Invisible mode also activates in CarPlay and Android Auto automatically. So don't even worry about that. You can even activate it from there, from the Waze settings in your car's display, and that's the whole idea here. That's basically how you turn on invisible mode. It's a quick privacy switch that hides your location without affecting navigation. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.